Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport S. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine with no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX. There have been 2 previous owners, both personal leases, which helps to keep the odometer reading low. As you can see here on the vehicle, it is a brilliant clear coat rhino gray, as well as with chrome and black accents there, as you can see on the fog lights, as well as the front and back tow hooks. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather. And speaking of inclement weather, let's take a look down here at those 17-inch black aluminum alloy wheels. These tire treads have a significant amount of life left in them, so they'll give you some good grip if you ever see yourself in an unforeseen situation or poor weather. But I'll get you those exact measurements in just a second because this vehicle has undergone a multi-point inspection. All of the vehicles here at All Things Automotive undergo a new multi-point inspection, as well as receiving a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter, so you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Looking here at the mirror, this mirror is heated, meaning you don't have to worry about it fogging up, and it'll also help with defrosting it in the wintertime. We'll now take a look here inside the vehicle, and as you can see, it is a beautiful charcoal black, like I was mentioning about those accents earlier, as well as cloth seating to keep you nice and comfortable. You can also take a peek here at these added footholds, which are really strong and steady and will help you get into that vehicle. We'll just take a look here into the glove box now and bring in the results of that multi-point inspection I was talking about. As you can see here, your left front tire is 13/30 seconds, and as for the rest of your tires, they're 14/30 seconds. And as for your brake pads, your front pads are 13/30 seconds, and your rear pads are 9/30 seconds. So you don't need to replace any of those anytime soon. They've got a lot of life left in them. We'll now make our way around here to the rear occupant seating, and you'll just take a look and see they've got plenty of room back here. This vehicle can seat 5 occupants, as well as back here in the center console, they do have their own powered window adjustments and 2 cup holders, and all of the doors do have an additional pocket right there, so they can store some little items in there. As we make our way around the vehicle now to the rear, you'll notice that large spare tire there, but what might seem a little less obvious is the backup camera inside. However, this is not only a backup camera. This vehicle has both a front and a rear camera that was record in 1-minute segments as you drive down the road, so it'll help you and protect you if there ever is any accidents or unforeseen situations. It'll help protect you by recording those situations. As we make our way inside of the vehicle here, I'll just take a look here into the trunk and show you how much room you have back there. You've got enough space to haul some pretty large items in there, and those seats do fold down, so I will show you here in a second what they do look like folded down. Alright, here we are with those seats folded down, and as you can see, you've got some space for some significantly large items in here. I also want to point out that underneath the floorboard, you have a little extra compartment if you want to store any tools or anything back there. And we'll now just close this up and make our way around to the front of the vehicle now. Alright, now as we make our way to the driver's side, I will mention this vehicle does have powered mirrors and windows, and those controls are in the center console by the dashboard. They also have power door locks as well. And we'll take a look here as to the driver's seat adjustment. It is a 6-way manual adjustment, so you're able to move your seat forward and backwards, up and down, and tilting the seat forward and back. You've also got an adjustable steering wheel, so you can move that up and down. All of these adjustments will help the vehicle fit you for the most comfortable ride. I'll now hop in and turn it on for you. Alright, now that we have the vehicle on and the dashboard lit up, you'll be able to see you have about 13,120 miles on it. And taking a look here at the left of the steering wheel are your navigational buttons for that dashboard. You can cycle through all of the features and different information that this vehicle provides to you. I'd also like to point out that right above those navigational dashboard buttons are your Bluetooth integration controls if you want to hook up your phone to your vehicle and be able to take your calls through your vehicle. And on the right on your steering wheel are your cruise control settings. Now taking a look here at the center console, at the very top is a place to put your phone. Right underneath that is the controls for the radio as well as for that Bluetooth integration. Underneath that you've got your power window settings. Looking down a little bit farther are your climate control settings. Underneath that, then to your left, those are your power mirrors. To the far right is a power outlet slot. And in the middle there are your toggles. Electronic stability control, which will just help you prevent skidding and sliding, as well as hill descent control, which does what the name suggests. Down now in the middle center, you've got 2 shifts. One of those is for your typical gear shift, and the other one is to shift into 4-wheel drive, as well as a parking brake. Now I'll just go right up here and put this in reverse so you can see that backup camera in action. And then continuing on from that bottom middle are 2 cup holders for you and your passenger. And right behind those cup holders is a storage compartment. Inside that storage compartment, you've also got another USB charging cable and power outlet. The last thing I'll point out here inside the vehicle is that you do get 2 keys with the purchase of this vehicle. And I'd also like to turn the attention upwards because in typical Jeep Wrangler fashion, the top does come off. Now in this last section of the video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be going over it to address any stains, nicks, or blemishes. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and so we want to make the purchasing process as clear and transparent as we possibly can. We want you to know exactly what you're getting, imperfections and all. So I'll just be taking a look around here, both on the inside. I haven't been able to see anything, although I do know here on the little display there is a small scratch. And up here on this hook, there are some little nicks there. Not on the other hook though. And that is it for the inside. We'll now make our way around to the outside and now around to the front of the vehicle to see if we can see anything there. Here on the front of the vehicle, if you can see it on camera, there are some very small stains and a few nicks, most likely from stone chipping. Stone chipping is extremely common, especially on the front of a vehicle. The only way you can really avoid stone chipping is just to not drive your vehicle. The paint is in very good condition. See there. We'll move along here now to the back of the vehicle. There is a small nick there on that back hinge. Now here along the back bumper is typically where there are some scratches, just as people don't take care to put things in and take things out. However, I don't really notice any scratches at all. The bumper is in very good condition, as well as the mats inside. We'll now make our way around here to the driver's side. There are some small spots there. That's just a fingerprint from opening the door. And that concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're looking for a sturdy 4-door wagon with high clearance and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this wagon and other listings at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.